Hey guys, welcome Technical Beardo here. Today in this video, we will talk about our autolock option is grayed out or not able to select autolock option in settings in an iPhone. So if you see here, if you open a setting application on an iPhone and go to your display and brightness, open that, scroll down and here there is an option called autolock and by default it is set to 30 seconds and you are unable to open it, tap it and do changes. So now what is happening and how to fix this? So guys, here the answer is very simple and easy. So whenever on your iPhone, whenever you enable low power mode, that time all the options, basically the main option regarding your auto lock is disabled and by default your iPhone sets it to auto lock to 30 seconds and you can't change it. So to change it, you have to disable your low power mode on your iPhone. Okay, just disable your low power mode or low battery mode and automatically it will be enabled on your iPhone and you can make changes. So in simple words, whenever there is a low power mode enabled on your iPhone, so the auto lock cannot be used by you and it is disabled and grayed out and set to default 30 seconds. So guys, it's solution and answer for you. I hope it helped you, and if yes, then please like the video and subscribe for amazing videos regarding iPhone tips and tricks and iPhone solution. Until then, thank you very much. Bye bye. Take care. See you in the next video.